D2DNY, real world HVAC simplified. Now, in this video, I have a Trane condenser unit with a Symbio board, a control board. Probably this is something new from Trane. I guess it's like a year and a half, perhaps. However, it's the first time I'm seeing this. So, you can see the board has Bluetooth options and stuff like that. So this one here is bad. I got the wires unplugged and disconnected already. I'm going to go ahead and install this new one. And but before getting to the video, as always, I want you to go ahead and subscribe if you hadn't subscribed, and smash the bell icon. So when I upload videos like these, you get them right away. So it also has a app. You see that? That's the app. And I'm gonna try to fool around with it because it's the first time I'm messing with this. And yeah, see what I could come up with. I'm gonna replace the board, test it out. So stay tuned for that. So just so you know, to get this board replaced, I just unplug these wires. Straightforward, pretty straightforward. You know, there's only one here that I keep note of, and this one right here. Like, it's like the same connector across here. Do I have my power off? Shut the power off. It's first thing first. Yeah, so like there's only one that's similar, so I gotta like keep note of that. But you can see like the wire doesn't give any flexibility. It goes like, you know, you can't mess that up. This one goes this way. This one goes right there. You can't mess that up. It's like right there. This is the power wire, the power plug that goes right there, right? And this board, what was wrong with it? It was just showing a bunch of squares. You know what? Let me just put it up real quick. So that's it. That's all it shows. Nothing else. If you're familiar with this and know what that means, or is there a fix for it, then you just comment. Because I tried doing everything, you know, nothing happened, nothing worked. You know, just doing that, and we're not getting any heating or cooling from this unit. It is a heat pump unit. You see the compressors and reversing valve and all that stuff. Pretty cool. You know, they have these plug connections and stuff in here. You know what I mean? Yeah. So come back out. Yeah. All right. So yeah, that's what it's doing. And like I said, all these right here, I'm not worried about. I just unplug it because you're color coded, so I don't care. The only one that's should be a little bit concerning is this one here. And again, like, you can't really mess that up. It's like it goes right back in place. Like when I put a new board in, you know, it's gonna like just fall back into place. This one here goes right here. Everything is like, you can't mess it up. Like dude, you can't mess it up. All right, so that's that. What else? This one here, like I said, there, boom. Yeah. So again, it has a Bluetooth function. That's the app right there. The Bluetooth app. I'm gonna, you know, I'm gonna check it out. See what we got. Pretty cool. We got like a Cat 5 plug right there. Cat 5e and Ethernet, and you got USB and USB. This thing is loaded, man. Loaded. All right, stay tuned. Okay, so out with the old. So many screws in this thing. It's probably about 7 or 8 screws in that. That's the old one. There's a new one. I'm just gonna snap it right in and screw it up and plug the power in first, and then boot it up and see what I got. And then I'm gonna put the wires on, and then I'm gonna mess with the Bluetooth apps. Actually, Bluetooth app first, and then I'm going to yeah. It's kind of exciting. I'm kind of excited. All right, so the new board is installed with all them screws back in place. It's like probably like 8 screws, 7 screws. So I'm gonna go ahead now and put the power wire in, and then I didn't connect all of these wires because I don't know what I'm gonna get. You know what I'm saying? I think maybe I gotta do some configuration. I don't know. It's my first time. This is booting up. You can see. All right. Is that ready? Press the home key. Nothing happened. Maybe it's still booting up. Let's see. let's see. Here we go. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn on Bluetooth. Hit this button right here. And right away I'm oh. It says waiting. It's a blue light flashing in the corner right there. Blue light flashing in the corner, so that's Bluetooth is waiting. I'm gonna go get the app. Open my app. So I'm gonna go this, this, view devices. Okay. And it's searching. Alright, so I think this is it. Click that. Here. And it says press enter. And this thing right here. And I'm connected. So the first thing I noticed here, it says that what is it saying here? Time's out of sync. So I'm gonna go ahead and just sync from my phone. Okay, and then it says Odyssey equipment serial number. None of that. If I do show more, oh, so the controller has a serial number, but nothing is here from the equipment. Okay. Is that good or bad? I don't know. Comment in the comment section. But show less. This unit is unconfigured. Go to the configuration screen and set this unit up. Proceed to configuration screen. Can I click right here and see? Right there? Let's see. Ah, there you go. System type. Nothing. That's all you got right here, all the options. But fortunately for me, I know what I got. This is a split system with heat pump, 2 compressors. Obviously it's R410A. I can simply look at the tag right here. I know it's R410A, but I can look at the tag and see what I got. All right, split system, so split system there. But I guess I couldn't figure that out. I don't know. But yeah, it's, you know, R410A. It says right there in the tag. So I can just put some of the stuff in, fill it out, and I'm just gonna see what happens, right? And then I'm gonna connect all the connections, and I want to see it's gonna work. It's gonna work. All right. So how do I edit this? Okay, there's an edit option right here. Edit. Hit edit. I'm doing this for the first time, guys. Just so you know. Note: apply will not be enabled until selection has been made for all options. Okay. Configuration option may be restricted based on dependent selection. All right, so let's see. System type, select one. I'm assuming this is constant volume. This is variable volume. I'm just gonna go constant volume. Right. Just gonna apply that. And then, oh wait, wow. Just by doing that, I lost everything else. Let's try. I'm curious. Let's go back here again. Let's try that. Okay. There's so much options here, but once I do that, let's go again. I'm gonna leave that option out of there. Refrigeration system. Like this doesn't. Okay, we say cancel that. Oh, where was that option before? Okay, refrigeration system. Heat pump. Apply that. This system type, I'm not quite sure. Variable volume, constant volume. I think this is variable volume, and then the other option is constant volume. Right? I don't know if this makes a difference in the deal. This is a constant volume. There's no variable speed in this indoor unit, but I'm just curious. Constant volume. Variable volume. So I don't know. Discharge. Temperature sensor installed on the refrigerant 14A. When I go variable volume, let's see this constant volume. I'm assuming this is constant volume and variable volume. Same thing. So I'm just gonna leave it CVZT. Comment in the comment section if you know what this is, if you have done this before. So standard efficiency. I'm assuming this is standard efficiency. I'm gonna leave it at standard. I'm not sure. Primary source of heating, heat pump. System heating type staged. Okay, leave it at that because it's like 2-stage. All right, 1 and 2. All right. Boom, boom, boom. Secondary source of heating. None. And selecting anything there. Discharge. Temperature sensor installed. I don't think so. Not that I know of. And I can't change that. Okay, not installed. Yes, I can. Not installed. Apply. Refrigerant 14A. Alright. I think that's about it. So as you go along and make selections, it had more selections for you. So this is what I had so far. This is what I have so far. And space controller is the latest one. That just popped up. So I'm gonna say conventional T-stat. Alright. Oh, so I'm done. Is it? I guess not. Probably give me another option for me to fill out. Demand management. This thing is endless. I was wondering if there's an easier way to do this. Like I could just put a model number. I tried doing that. I tried inputting the model or serial up top in the search bar. Like where is that? Right here. And you know, because if it would be easier, some code that I could put in, you know, Symbio, I don't know, man, it would be easier as opposed to me answering all these questions on my own. It gotta be an easier way. Gotta be an easier way to do this. If you know of an easier way, leave in the comment section. But so there, I'm down to. This is the new question that pops up. External stop, and I'm thinking this is going to be yes because I'm using the fire shutdown. It says not installed. You know, I didn't select that. It automatically selects that for me. But there is a fire shutdown on here. Those wires there. So can I cancel? I don't know. Can I select something here? I don't know. It seems like a lot. Boom, boom, boom. Gotta be an easy way to do this. So if I click that, it says not installed. I can't change that option. Okay, so cancel that. Get out of there. And we got humidity sensor. Not installed. Apply. The list goes on, guys. The list goes on. CO2 sensor. Select. Wow. Not installed. Gotta be an easier way to do this. If you know of an easier way to do this, comment. Please do so. What am I up to now? Is it done? So now that I've got this all filled out to the best of my abilities, the only one thing I didn't quite like is this right here, external stop. And the fact that it said it's not installed, you know, that, because I'm assuming that's this right here, this connection right here. I guess I'll see. But yeah, I guess as far as I know, and the indoor units as well, there's a defrost sensor on there, and that's it. Let me just double check. Yeah, so that's it for the indoor unit. So that's all. There's nothing else going on. There's no other sensors on there. says a defrost stat. So that's it. Boom boom. I don't know, that's it. I mean, it's gonna hit apply, and that's it right there. So I guess it's ready to go the way it is. Heat pump, primary source, heat pump staged. It's 2 stages, 2 reversing valves, no secondary heating, no ventilation. Only thing that I'm not sure why I did this is the external stop and the external auto stop. I guess that's not something, I don't know. Well, I'll see. I guess I'll find out. I'm gonna mess around with that right there, that connector. See if it affects my operation, because I need it to affect my operation because that's the fire shutdown. And you can always, I guess you can always go back in here and edit it, right? It allows you to do that. So yeah, that's pretty good. That's cool. Let's go back here. Let's see what else we can do with this app here. Let's go to tools, service test mode. Pretty cool. Go back. What's this right here? Unit auto stops. Auto. Service. Compressor. Pretty cool. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna go ahead and connect all my wires on this and then see what I've got. Restart controller. What is this right here? Okay, I don't know what that is. This is all brand new to me. IP configuration. That is if you, I guess if you get something plugged into the Cat5e or Cat5 connector on the board. Regional specifications. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my wires, gonna connect all my wires, and I'm gonna take this thing for a test. That's what we got. It's pretty cool though. There's this thing right here. Pretty cool. Alright, so stay tuned. I'm gonna make all my connections and then I'm gonna go for a test and we're gonna see what happened. So let's wait for it and stay tuned. Okay baby, she works. She blows. She blows. I guess I must have done something right. Both compressors are on and it's in heating mode. That's warm. That's a suction pipe. Well, it's gas pipe in heating mode. That's also warm. It's heating up. Okay. So on the screen here, if I go look, if I scroll down, settings, service, utilities, alarms, Bluetooth, status, enter, system data, indoor refrigeration, active set point, go back home. Okay, so from top, hit home, and I'm going to see status, enter, and system, enter. Alarm indicator is on, and I think I know why. These 2 wires here are supposed to be for some type of communication between this board and the indoor board. Now, these supposed to be, according to the manual, these supposed to be communication cable, twisted, paired, and shielded. Twisted and shielded. Now obviously you can see just a regular plain old thermostat wire, and This is 24 volts. These blue and red. This terminal right here, 24 volts hot and common. And so that's going to be mixed with the communication wire in the same cable. Not good. So that could be interference and induced voltages. Maybe that's the reason why the first board crapped out, or the first board died. Yeah, but yeah, I think this is it for the video, guys. Here's a schematic wiring diagram if you want to see this. Flip it around. Is it upside down? No, it's good. Let's give you a stable shot of this. So apparently I've done something right because this thing is running, and it's very small, the writing on this thing. I don't know if you can make it out. If you're still here, you're special. Alright, so let's scroll down some more here. So we got the alarm indicator is on, so I think that's the reason why the alarm is on. And I'm gonna scroll down. Equipment shut down. So I think it's working. This fire shut down, or equipment shut down. Yeah, so it says equipment shut down, input status, equipment run. In a moment, I'm gonna pull this and see if what happens. This unit, guys, right here is your thermostat input from the thermostat, literally, that's what it is. And this right here is going back downstairs to enable your fan. This wire right here. This wire right here, this terminal right here, that's there's a defrost stat on the indoor control board. I saw that from the indoor control board. And let me see, I got a picture. I will show you the picture. Hold on a second. I'm gonna show you a picture of that. So there is the indoor board. That's it. There's 2 plugs on the indoor board. 2 plugs. So this one, that's going to enable the fan contactor. This one right here, and then another one, you can't see it, is next beside of it. This blue one right here. This blue plug. So this white one right here goes to the fan contactor, and this blue one right here, who's bothering me? Scammers. All right, this blue one right here, that's the defrost stat, and that's it. So here's the green wire that's going to turn the fan on. It's the same green wire right here, and this white wire is coming through from the defrost stat, okay, and comes back right here. If you're still here, you're special. So you can see all this right here, these extra goodies. Yeah. Okay, so that's the indoor unit. And again, if you may know more about this than me, guys, because like if you're a pro, this is my very first time. I'm a virgin. What's this right here? This is where these yellow and black wire, which is supposed to be for communication between some type of communication. I don't know what type of communication has been utilized here, but I have them disconnected here, and I only have the blue and red, which is 24 volts power, 24 volts hot and common, and it runs. This is the wire right here, this wire right here, blue and red, yellow and black. Yellow and black goes over here, and blue and red goes, can't really see. And then I'm gonna get you the schematic. There's a schematic from the indoor board. So we could got, it's really not much going on, but here is that defrost, called in defrost. It's a temperature sensor, and that's the blue. And then we have the white. Where is it? that thing was upside down. So here's it. Here's the white. Indoor fan. Run out. So the blue defrost in, and the white and blue. That's the only two that's on there. That's the only two plug that's on the indoor board. So that's the reason why those are the only two connections that connected to the indoor board. So that's why I know to choose those options that I chose, right? No other fancy stuff. There's nothing that's connected to that. So just a regular contactor and a defrost switch, and that's it. So and plus the wires is not twisted or shielded, and it's in the same conductor, so I disconnected the communication wires. This thing is running right now. Let's see if I can take my pipe temperature reading. This cover is open, so I'm bypassing the coil a little bit. So, you know, heating mode. We need this cover to be closed so we can like absorb as much heat as possible. All we got here, we're at 112 degrees. Gas pipe. I'm supposing that's all right for this type of unit. It's not crazy, like a crazy Mitsubishi or LG or Daikin. So that 112 degrees gas pipe, I guess that's all right. I don't know. Comment. Maybe if I close this up all the way, it'll get hotter. Let's try that. And then I'm gonna connect back to the Bluetooth real quick again as well. So stay tuned for that. We're in heat mode. It says there in the status. I gotta unpull this wire right here to see if it's gonna shut down. Just wait for all of that. Outdoor temperature. We got that. Phase monitor is okay. Phase monitor is right there. It's your phase monitor. Yeah, this is like brand new, but it's pretty cool. W2 input is open. Is that what it says? W2. Y1 input is closed. Right here. From your thermostat. Pretty cool, guys. I mean, this is, I guess this is fairly new from Trane. This is my first time dealing with it though. So, you know, it's pretty cool. Comment if you are very familiar with this in the comment section. I don't know. All right. I guess everything you could do from the app, you can do from here. Maybe not. Actually, there's more on the app. I guess, I don't know. And it's cold up here, so I'm trying to wrap this video. So I want to close this up to see if I get a hotter discharge by absorbing more heat. Hold on. So now that is closed, I want to see what happened over here. Oh yeah, baby. Look at that. We're getting more heat right here, like 115, almost 116, like a couple of degrees more. So that we're pulling more air across the coil, and so we're getting better heat exchange. 15.8. All right, let's go pull that shutdown, the fire shutdown, and see if that's gonna like stop the unit. Okay, that is very important. I want to see. Actually, I'm gonna scroll to that screen. Right? Where was it? Cooling capacity status 0. Heating 100%. See that? So cooling. Come on. Where was it? I knew it was here somewhere. Where? Let's start over. So I go at home, status, enter, scroll down, system status, enter. Alarm indicator is on, equipment shutdown, run. Okay, let's pull this wire right here. It's gonna pull this plug. See what's gonna happen here. Okay, equipment shutdown, input status, still run, which I don't like that. Oh, unless it's normally open. Huh? If it's normally open, perhaps it is. Let's plug this back in. Actually, no, I will not do that. I won't plug you back in. I'm going to create a shunt with this one. And then I'm going to plug it in and we're going to see what's going to happen. Stay tuned. Okay, here you go. Here's my jumper or my shunt. I'm just going to stick it in there. We're going to see what happens real time. Oh, bravo, baby. We're good. Shut down. All right, I think this is gonna look like this is it right now. I think I'm done with this. I'm happy with the results. The thermostat downstairs, I know it's calling for heating because I have the heating set up. I don't have to like walk all the way back down because it's a long ways back, you know, to get back downstairs. So I have the thermostat in full heat, and it's working, guys. You know, again, if I'm not, this is my first encounter with this thing. Like, I don't know like much about it, but just common sense and like I guess past experience and stuff. But if you're like a trained guy or like you're like if you have worked on this before and you got some insights, yo, share the knowledge because this is what my channel is about. All right, I'm going to close this off. I think I'm going to close this off, but before I do, I'm going to open the Bluetooth app once more. So press the Bluetooth, says waiting, and I'm gonna grab the app, grab the phone, and I'm gonna connect that sucker. So it says I'm gonna reconnect to the Bluetooth right now. Reconnect. Okay, let's see if I could tell you. It says outdoor temperature. Let's see all the information you can get from this app, right? So cooling capacity enabled 100%. BS, I don't know. Heat pump blackout -40. Wow. No way. This should be much higher than that. Yeah. All right. What we got here? Status. We got outdoor BS, outdoor temperature 52 degrees. I think I want to see if I could change this settings right here, because this should be way higher than that, not -40. Okay. What else we got here? Status equipment shutdown. Obviously, got the wires in there. It's the fire shutdown right now. Can you click into this? Oh, really? Okay. Okay. I'm clicking into that. I guess I gotta learn this app. There's like stuff you can do. You can't click into here though. W1 O is open. O is for cooling, guys. G input is closed, so it's calling for fan from a thermostat, obviously. And Y1 is closed, calling for Y1. And Y2 is closed. Y1 and Y2 for heat pump. You're calling for Y1, Y2, but no reverse valve, no O. So that's heating. Once you have Y1, Y2, and O, that's cooling. All right, here you go. Shut down. This is pretty cool. Pretty cool. LPC status close. We can tell if your switch is open. This is pretty cool, guys. Pretty cool. If my safeties are open, I could tell from here, from the app. So again, download the app. You pull up to a unit like this, download the app, and you can connect Bluetooth. You see it right here in my channel. All right. Comment if you like this video. I'm gonna close it off. Alarms. Oh, there's no critical alarm. There's no service required. Information. What's this? I don't know what that is. What does this mean? Acknowledgement required. Blah 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 blah. But anyways, 4 octave alarms. Let's see. Diagnostic communication failure. I knew it. This is the communication thing right here. These things right here, and it's gonna stay disconnected because the wires isn't proper. Indoor module communication status. Yes, I know. frost stat or free stat input. Equipment shutdown. Okay. What else? Tools. Service test mode. We went over that already. We browse through that. Unit stop auto. I can stop the unit. Stopping unit right now. Are you sure you want to shut the unit down? Cancel. I don't want to do that right now. Cancel. Yeah. When you get to the job, one of these you can play around yourself. I'm going to close this off right now. I'm done.